As an extra bonus video, I'm going to demonstrate my sketching process in a typography-based logo for a restaurant and coffee bar. When I was having coffee this morning, I noticed an old-fashioned 2 on my coffee cup. I started with that as my inspiration for the 2 in my logo concept. You can see later on that I changed it drastically as I continued to sketch out further ideas. The eventual company name will be 20 Degrees. So I wanted to play around with the 2, but also how do I work in that 0 and the degree symbol. I bring this into Adobe Illustrator to vectorize. It took me a good 20 minutes to not only trace it with the pen tool, but to use the curvature and pen tools to noodle around with the anchor points to find the right curves and flow. I hope you enjoyed seeing this process and how important and wonderful sketching out your ideas on pen and paper and Procreate really can be.